Okay, so on to question 5. This is a vector projection question, which, as per math lecturer tradition, must involve some silly scenario. Okay. Batgirl is trapped on a rock in a harbour, surrounded by shark-infested waters. A bridge crosses the harbour, blah blah blah. Is the bat rope long enough? Okay, well, does it actually understand the question? Shortest distance between the point P and the line segment defined by A and B. Find the vector equation for the line through A and B. Direction vector is AB, B minus A, minus 10, minus 5, 10. Oh no, yeah, that's right. Okay. AP, 5, 10, minus 15, yes. Need to project, blah, blah, blah. This is 3/5 correct.
It's doing pretty well.
Yeah, that's not bad.
Wow.
It's thinking hard now, though. 8, 4, minus 15. Yes. Root 305.
That looks pretty good.
That's right. And it has to be less than 20. Perfect marks. Okay, that was 7 marks.
All right, 7 out of 7.
That's pretty good. Okay.
Six A.
Find the range. In vertex form. I've never seen that.
Never heard that before. Wow. Learn something today.
Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
I think it's going to get it right.
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice.
Okay.
2 out of 2.
Yeah.
So B. Implied domain and range. Oh, this is arc sine. Okay.
Yeah. Implied domain and implied range of arc sine of the function we just were talking about.
You got five marks for this question.
Yeah.
So it only renders the LaTeX if it's I mean, it doesn't render inline. It will render it if it's its own equation.
I guess so, right.
Yeah, nice. Sign chart. All right.
Implied domain.
Yeah.
Correct. What gives me a slight sense of vertigo is the sense that, in a year or two, and certainly for anybody sufficiently young, the fact that computers can do this will just be like obvious.
Yeah.
Like it won't even. People will wonder why this was even in doubt.
Yeah.
4
Wow.
marks.
5 out of 5.
Yeah. So that's 7 in total for question 6.
Yeah.
I feel like we're marveling at a calculator being able to add numbers together.
Yeah, basically. That's right. This was like, logarithms without a table, without a book. Okay. So this is finding stationary points, behavior of graphs. I'll be surprised if it doesn't get this. This is an easy one.
Yeah.
I like how it calls it the chain rule. My students would call that the quotient rule, but it's of course just the chain rule. Zero, 1 on C, yes. Okay. So that's 1 point.
All right. Describe the behavior. All right. Proof not required.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's 1 point.
Yep.
Imagine if this had existed during COVID when we're sitting there on Zoom supervising exams. It's like GPT-4 is open in another window for every single student.
Yeah, it wouldn't even slow you down that much. I guess you wouldn't be able to type the code in though, live.
Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, that would be the bottleneck.
Although there is a app called MathPix, which can like screen grab a picture of LaTeX and give you the code. I used it quite a lot for my assignments.
Oh wow.
That's 1 mark.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it probably is actually. They might get done on time, but if they had 4 hours, I reckon they could do it.
Right, because typing it out will take a while if you didn't have the screen grab thing.
Well, I mean, once the multimodal capabilities are exposed via the web interface, I guess that's solved.
Well, you can just do it on a different computer, couldn't you?
Might screw up here. I was thinking the other day, so when we watched it it had a calculation error last time, right?
Yeah.
And we commented that it looked pretty much like what students would do, which is kind of interesting given that it is trying to predict the next token. I wonder if it's actually reproducing errors because that's what it expects to see in a solution of a calculus question, and whether it actually understood the correct answer.
How many incorrect solutions are lying around online though?
Yeah, that's a good point.
I don't know.
Okay.
When there are these homework sites, right? They have oh sorry, what is the score for this?
Yeah, it hasn't gotten this correct. So let's see. What did it do with the second derivative? No,
Didn't simplify it right, maybe.
No, it shouldn't have cubes in it. Maybe it got the derivative wrong. Let's see.
Yeah, this is a derivative that kids get wrong.
Yeah. Oh. Well, I can't see the problem. Well, so there shouldn't be a cubic term, but that comes from here. Maybe it's a sign error.
Yeah, it could have cancelled it. It seems up there, and it didn't.
I think it. Oh, how did it get a term to the power 4 out of that? Oh, this one here. Okay. Yeah, so you should get what? Okay, yeah, some arithmetic error there, possibly some sign errors. Okay, so then it gets the rest wrong. So let's give it 1 mark for the working, and then so it missed 2 there.
So 1 out of 3.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Let's give it a prompt and see if it can fix it.
I wonder if it does it correctly and you tell it made a mistake, would it know?
Sometimes. Yeah.
Sometimes
Well,
it would insist. I'm right.
the RLHF kind of just makes it agree with you to some extent. So
Yeah.
it might say there's a mistake even if it doesn't really.
Yeah.
But we'll see.
Here we go. It does the same thing, right? There's still that cubic term there.
Yeah, it's a different wrong answer. Oh
It's
no,
different.
no,
Oh, yeah.
no, it's the same. It's just rearranged.
No?
Well, it'd be funny if the solutions here are wrong, but I don't think so.
No.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Moving on.
Okay. It's a long exam. Is it a 3-hour exam, right?
Yeah, that's right. Well, it's gonna get E wrong since it got D wrong, but
yeah.
Big consequentials.
It's still going.
Shut up. Yeah, it's kind of pointless.
0 out of 1.
Yeah. Just give it 0 for that. That's going to be 2 marks.
Oh, is that a 2?
Yeah, that's actually kind of tricky even if you get the answer right. So. Oh, sketch the graph. I guess we'll just give it those ones. It doesn't know what part A is. I'll just ask and see what happens.
Is that right?
I don't know. Yep. That's right. So it just inferred what part A was about. Oh no! Good luck.
Oh, poor ChatGPT. Keeps using the wrong answer.
Okay.
So F.
Oh dear,
is
no, that's 0.
No.
Yeah, we'll give it the
G
2.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, well, that was a bit unlucky. Okay, implicit differentiation.
Implicit. All right. Yeah.
It's worth noting that these models get much better on these kinds of things if they're fine-tuned or sort of have express, sort of if their data set is made so that it has like a high weighting of these kinds of problems, and this is not at all the case. Well, who knows what's in the training set for GPT-4, but
there's no way it's going to get this one right. Right. Maybe. I don't know. I haven't seen it. Oh, no. Shit. It's got it.
Yeah.
2x over what?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's right. So
wait, 3y squared minus 4y cubed. Right. Okay. Yeah. 3y squared. Yeah. Shit. I spoke too soon. 2 out of 2.
2 marks. This is a hard one for students, the next one. Because they, for example, forget to rule out this case and so on.
All right.
Yeah, regarding my comment earlier about making a mistake on purpose, because that's what predicting the next token looks like when you're modeling humans who are confused. There are sort of an emerging literature of techniques for trying to see what the model actually thinks before it actually outputs. So there's a paper on that, which is what we'll talk about in the AI safety seminar this evening. So there's, just because it gives you an answer that's wrong doesn't mean it sort of hasn't computed the right answer, because
that's interesting.
It's not trained to give the right answer, it's trained to predict the next token, and then with the RLHF layer to follow instructions. But that together isn't exactly the same as what a student's motivation in answering this question is to get the right answer, right? That is not actually like the 0, 0 is wrong. That's the one we had to exclude.
Yeah.
3 root 3 on 16. No. It's a calculational error there too. Got the right y value somehow. It's pretty close. Yeah, this is kind of a solid B student answer, I'd say. So I would expect many students to miss this. So this has got to do with this just not I mean, to have the tangent line be vertical, you have to solve the equation for the tangent line being sort of undefined, but also it has to be on the curve, right? And the second condition is often something people forget. Okay, so it missed that, so that's 1 mark. And yeah, it's okay, I
1
guess.
out of 5?
Yeah, let's make it 2.
0 out of 5?
2.
0 out of 5.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, parametric curves.
Question 9.
Yep.
Alright. This is like all of high school.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, I don't know. Parametric curves is kind of first year university. Well, maybe high school too. Find all the x-intercepts of this curve. Alright. Yeah, it knows is y equals 0. We should get 4 points. Huh.
Oh, it's finished. Yeah. Is that right? So it's got the 0. It's giving me multiples of pi on 3, so -1, -1/2, half 1. Yeah, that's right. So 3 points.
Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, it forgot about. Yeah. No, that's fine. Find all the points on this curve at which the vector velocity is. The velocity vector is horizontal.
Are you using ChatGPT 4? GPT-4?
Yeah.
We're gonna burn all your questions. We're burning like the 25, right?
That's fine. I'm not going to use them for the next couple of hours anyway.
But your wife, mate.
she's going out. I have cleared this with her already. Don't worry.
Okay.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure the limit is actually there all the time. I think it's like sometimes it doesn't seem to actually come into effect.
Okay. Did it get this one?
I don't know.
So pi on 2 plus.
So odd multiples of 3 pi on 2.
It's not simplifying it for us. We should tell it to like just give it to us, right?
Yeah.
You don't simplify it, you lose a point. What? What the fuck?
Okay, fine. You could just give the answers, but alright.
Oh, wow, it's giving us a table? Wow. Wow.
Alright.
How much was that out of? Still going.
Yeah. This one's
4,
Added 2.
3.
Oh, 3, you're right, yeah. Okay, yeah.
3 on. Alright, well. There's 6, right? I only got 4.
Yeah, that's right.
Where is it? 1, 2, 3.
Root 3 on 2,
Where are the other
1.
two?
Yeah,
More than
minus root.
0.
Okay, that's interesting. Missed 0, 1. Root 3 on 2, minus 1. Okay, so it missed 2 of them. So let's give it 1 half of that 2 answer marks. So that's 2 marks in total.
Sounds good. 2 out of 3.
But, yeah, extra points for a very detailed answer.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
We've got a hard stop at 11 because of the next seminar.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I guess we'll just do this one and then.
Yeah. Yeah, I got dinner plans tonight, so I won't be able to make SLT. I didn't realize it switched until.
Yeah, that was I forgot to notify everybody. Yeah, just for this
worries.
week.
Cool. Oh, so Dan, how long are you going to be in Berkeley for? Just for the 2 weeks, or are you staying any more than that?
Probably just for the 2 weeks. Yeah.
Awesome. Are you going to be available for a beer over the weekend?
For sure. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, I'll try and make it. I probably won't come for the whole thing, but definitely will fly for the weekend and then maybe 1 or 2 days. 1 or 2 days, depending on what the schedule looks like. Friday, Monday, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be great. Be good to see you.
Awesome. Cool. Yeah.
Oh,
So
I think I got the right answer.
All right.
Speed is increasing. That's 3.
3 out of 3.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
Okay, so I guess we'll finish off the rest next time. But how's it doing so far?
Yeah. So I will tell you, it's 54 out of 79.
Okay, that is
Doing pretty well. I mean, this week, it just missed like that one big question last week. Today's it's been pretty good actually.
Yeah, long division. Apart from
destroyed. Yeah, but this week's been this is a pretty good run. Yeah.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thanks everybody, and SLT is coming up
Awesome.
in 3 minutes back in Roblox.